Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to upload a video. This is a beginner tutorial, so enjoy. First you're going to go into CapCut and then you are going, oh I've already done this one, so let's do another one. So I've already exported that one. Then you're going to click on the one you want. For example, I want, which one should I pick? Let's do Storytime of Hawaii. So click on that. And then you're just going to click export. And then it will be exporting. So you don't want to leave the app while it's exporting. Also, this might take a little while, so you could watch YouTube. Actually, you could watch YouTube on a different device, but you have to keep this loading. So yeah, after it's done loading, you're just gonna click. Click X. You're just gonna click other. Why does my screen keep going like this? Save video, and then you're just gonna go into YouTube Studio. Why does it look like... Oh, I just went into YouTube Music. Oops. Ignore that. Okay, now we're just gonna go into actually YouTube Studio. So where is it? I actually don't know. Okay, anyways, let's just search it up. YouTube Studio. Oh, okay, we got it. And then you're just gonna click on plus up the left right corner, the right corner, sorry, not left, why did I say, okay, the right corner, and then you're just going to click on the video you want. So, yeah, story time, so just type what you want. Oh wait, yeah, I just remembered, I haven't explained anything, so let's do the one I'm probably going, because that's funny. That's really, really funny. Okay. Okay, now we're just gonna write, apparently she's a preppy gummy. How do you spell apparently, guys? I'm only 10. Oh, okay, I remembered. Apparently, she's a preppy gummy. A preppy gummy? Question mark? Okay, now let me find a shrub, because yeah, that's, wait, where's the search button? Is there a search button? Oh, I don't think there is. Okay, anyways, let's just go down. I found a shrub. Okay, now, just gonna go out, and then you're just gonna pick who can see it. There's public, unlisted, and private. Unlisted is anyone with the link can view, and private is only people you choose can view. Let's put it on public. Okay. Just gonna turn the comments on or off. It's your choice. And then you're just gonna click upload short down the bottom here. It's really big, so you'll definitely be able to spot it. So just click that, and then it will be loading into YouTube. Just have to wait for it to load. I'm not gonna leave you waiting for it to load right here, because that's a whole other 12 minutes. I mean, this wasn't even 12 minutes. So yeah. So that's where we're just gonna stop here. So bye guys.